Hello guys, this is Sanjay here again, and today we are going to do cost of goods sold with example. So I have a four scenario. For example, you can uh, play around so that you can the cost of goods sold in the different methods. So we will go by first is equal to. So we have a opening stock as on 31st Jan 2020, and we have a closing stock. We have purchase and freight and carriage inwards. So how we do that? This is a formula like opening stock plus purchases plus all the direct expenses like freight and carriage inwards minus closing stock. So here you are. 59,500 is your cost of goods sold. And we know go by the second method, that is, I'll take it little up there, is equal to, we have a total sale plus we have some additional revenue, so it's a part of the sale as well. Then here is another term, say return. So some of the customer return your goods, that means it's no more sale now, it's in the stock now. So we minus this return, and as I told you before in the format, when you uh, deduct gross profit from the sale, you will get your cost of goods sold, and when you deduct cost of goods sold from the sale, you will get your gross profit. So yeah, so that's 11,500. There is an equation, maybe it can help you. So sale minus gross profit is equal to cost of goods. And if you interchange it, sales minus cost of goods sold is equal to gross profit. That's a formula. This is equation you have to remember. So when you deduct sale minus cost of goods sold, you get your gross profit, right? So when the gross profit comes here, it becomes minus, and the cost of goods sold go there, it becomes a positive. So this is how you can just play around over there. So in the second method, I did the same. The sale minus gross profit, you get your cost of goods sold. For the first method, this is a formula like opening stock plus purchases. If you have any return, just minus return plus direct expenses minus closing stock. What is direct expenses? All the expense production of goods or on purchases. These are your direct expenses, like I told you before, like a freight, can be freight, it can be carriage inward, carriage inward, not on outwards, because outwards carriage is imposed on the sale. When you sell something, then you are like sending the things out of the business, that's an outward carriage. But when you purchase, then you are purchasing your raw material or the goods uh, for the company, so that's a carriage in for the factory. So you have to just take here just inwards, not the outward. Any, say like wages, the factory, or any expense in the factory. Rent, salary, electricity, not in, not in the office, only in factory. Remember. So this is how we go. Okay, we go for the third, cost of goods sold. So we have a sale here, we have a gross profit here, we have a purchases here, we have a carriage inward here. But I told you here, if you have a sale and the gross profit doesn't need purchase and the carriage, because you get your gross profit after deducting purchase and it's already deducted gross profit. Just go by revenue minus gross profit, you will get your cost of goods very easily. We go by fourth, and here we can say that your gross profit is in percentage, not in actual value. So just go here, then you have to deduct your gross profit for getting your cost of goods sold. So minus just 40% is 40% on sale, so you have to take the actual value 40%, so you will get your 60,000 cost of goods sold. So I hope you understand all these things and all the other working note I gave you for the direct expenses, the purchase, return, and the sale. So hopefully you understand all these things. Thank you very much. In the next video I'll bring part 2 for cost of goods sold. Here we go by number of units, FIFO and FIFO. Thank you very much.